CHZ fundamentally faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ in every way that really matters acquired roughly 2.42% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, so CHZ sort of acquired around 2.42% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely huge. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in a by and large significant way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the fundamentally past week, acquiring 5.9% in an unobtrusive manner. 24 December 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is for the most part transient cost expectation for Chilliz explicitly is CHZ a generally excellent interest in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the by and large current economic situation's market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There in every practical sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unobtrusive manner. The complete exchanging volume truly remains at $59,916,753, truly further appearance how the sort of absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $59,916,753, which certainly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24% in an exceptionally large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, which by and large shows that Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on incredibly. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span, showing that CHZ especially acquired roughly 2.42% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, so CHZ generally acquired around 2.42% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB for the most part, is somewhere around 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10, so the truly complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $59,916,753, exceptionally further appearance how the really all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $59,916,753 in an extremely huge manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, so Chilliz support and opposition levels, and so on, or so they generally thought. These occasions generally show that the market sort of is going in an essentially descending heading for fundamentally present moment, so CHZ generally faces obstruction at 20 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As of now, a very broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $59,916,753, truly further appearance how the very all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $59,916,753, or so they truly thought. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, genuinely further appearance how CHZ explicitly faces our position at 20 cents, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers by and large become more genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers most certainly become commonly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an unpretentious manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution, The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, for the most part is at $0.087, up 2.42% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 5.9% throughout the week in an exceptionally large manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 61,141,897.00 United States dollars, while most certainly complete market cap came to $675,486,403 United States dollars, so these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending course for certainly present moment, so CHZ for the most part faces obstruction at 20 cents in a very significant manner. There really are practically 7,749,332,980 by and large are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how CHZ sort of appearances obstruction at 20 cents, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz Value Investigation CHZ Cost Examination for 24 December 2023 inside a day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that CHZ explicitly faces opposition at 20 cents, which for the most part is very critical. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Chilliz. Exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $59,916,753, sort of additional appearance, how the very complete exchanging volume basically remains at $59,916,753 in a significant manner. The in every way that really matters, relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin in every way that really matters, is right now drifting at 28 for 14 days, by and large normal line, which especially implies CHZ sort of is in oversold zone, and a pattern reasonably inversion generally is genuinely conceivable in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The Chilliz sort of has truly break all its basically upholds levels, and things basically are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, so yet prior to plunging profound into the CHZ specialized examination, by and large, let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations market investigation. Over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Right now, in every way that really matters, bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively generally take CHZ cost underneath the essential help level of 17 cents. Kind of additional appearance how support especially is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost